Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today we are looking at two words that describe the exact same feeling, but they have completely different jobs in an English sentence.
Same feeling, different jobs? That is always tricky for our learners. What are the words today?
The words are anxious and anxiety.
Oh, anxious and anxiety. Yes, we hear these words all the time when people are talking about stress or nervousness.
Exactly. Let's start with anxious. This word is an adjective. It is a descriptive word that describes how a person is feeling. You use it to describe yourself or someone else.
Right. If you have a big job interview tomorrow and your stomach is tying in knots, you say, I am anxious. You are describing your current emotional state.
But now let's look at anxiety. This word is a noun. It is the actual name of the feeling or the medical condition itself. It is a thing that you experience.
So I am anxious, but I have anxiety.
Exactly. You described it perfectly. Let's look at a real scenario. Imagine you are waiting at the airport for your best friend. Their flight was supposed to land 2 hours ago, but the screen just says delayed, and they aren't answering their phone.
I would be pacing back and forth. My mind would be racing with terrible thoughts.
Right. So if you call your mom on the phone to tell her how you feel in that moment, you use the adjective. You say, Mom, I am feeling very anxious.
But if you want to talk about the heavy, stressful feeling sitting in your chest, you use the noun. You say, this long delay is giving me a lot of anxiety.
This brings us to a huge grammar trap for English learners. People will often try to use the noun as a description. They will say, I am very anxiety today.
Yes, that is grammatically incorrect. You cannot be a noun like anxiety. You can only have it or feel it. If you want to describe yourself, you must use the adjective and say, I am anxious.
A great memory trick for our learners is to look at the little action verbs we pair them with. You are anxious because it describes you. You have anxiety because it is a thing you carry.
Your homework for today. Think about a time recently when you felt very stressed about an upcoming event. Practice making 2 sentences out loud, one saying, I was anxious, and one saying, I had a lot of anxiety.
Knowing how to talk about your feelings accurately and grammatically is so important for connecting with native speakers. You are doing a fantastic job.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Don't let English give you anxiety. Just keep practicing. See you next time on Mady English Practice.